Yeah, leverage nation, I know say. I get back some back gas. Head back, you know? Yeah. You know a leverage. The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. The leverage, yeah. Yo. What's good? Good morning, good night, good evening, what time you ever watching this. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. You know anything go. Alright. We're there. Just wake up on this morning routine right now, about 5:40. I don't know. Yeah man, we're gonna do one road trip again. I go Orlando side. No, I think Kissimmee, Orlando, Kissimmee. Yeah, so just do some road trip to see. Oh, that go again early morning. Yeah, quick drive out, you know. Yeah, man, and give thanks to the people them who are subscribe, who are watch, who are forward, show, and see, you know, cause the journey never stopping. You don't know. We go always a post. Sometimes things might come up and you know we have things to deal with, but yeah man, you don't know you come on. Yeah man, Leverage Nation, I don't know. You say leverage. So just watch where I go on now. I'll show you where I go on, you know? Yeah. Yeah, stop by and get some gas as usual. I don't know where I petrol up. Yeah, you know. That is it, man. You know a leverage, man. Probably just early morning now, so get some iced coffee, you know? Yeah. That is it. Yeah, Leverage Nation.
Good morning, welcome to Duncan.
Hey, good morning. Can I picking up for Eclips, sorry.
Oh, you can pull forward, I got you.
Alright. Yeah, mine early morning I'm gonna get it, you know.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You as well. So yeah, Leverage Nation, see there. So back to the road now, you know? Watch your journey. Up on the journey, we're going to Orlando and wake up early, so you know, kind of sleepy and all of that stuff. But it'll wear out once the sun fully come up, because now like to 7 I drive a little bit and trotted slowly and what keep eyes on the road same way while we're driving. And the best thing, that's why I always get the iced coffee. You know, some people say maybe it's not the best option, but you know, you have to do something to make you get energized and get them the body pumping, you know. Yeah. So the best thing I just maybe I'll play some music and all of that stuff. So yeah man. Oh yeah. Oh, they're on the straight right now. Keep eyes on the road. slowly slip one and two, you know. Until I finish this, maybe last me a couple hours well. But yeah, long for drinking. I don't just drink it one time or less. I'm drinking like I eat some food and feel I have the iced coffee and just drink it one time and then drink some water for wash it down fully. But yeah, take me a while. But yeah, man, we're there on the road and thing, man. I go and take it easy. Check out the highway, people. You don't know. Yeah. Right now we're on 95 going 9. Journey slowly but surely, you know. Yeah, man. You know I leverage. Yeah. Right now it's seriously pass on place named Stuart, Indian Town. Yeah, man. Road trip. Mad vibes, man. Is it? Yeah, man. And we can drive as long as the road today. We can drive forever, you know. Have that about me. Yeah, man. We can drive forever. More time people say, well, I'm gonna drive truck. I'm gonna like truck, you know. Enjoy life and just drive some places and experience the places. That's why come along with me. You don't know data leverage. Yeah. The best thing you can do on these road strip is just try listen some music or listen some talk show or anything for us keeping up. If you don't have the iced coffee. Just do your thing, man, the right and proper way. Just drive and take the time and don't rush. You know, don't rush because it don't make sense to rush. And then police pulling it over, or meet in an accident, and you know, one bag of cons to the thing. So you might as well just take your time and drive. But we get back to the leverage nation when we reach further up, you know. Alright, data leverage. Yes, leverage nation are up on the way. And you know, as life journey, there's always trials and road bumps and speed humps and all kind of bumps, and you know, so little delay because look like something is going on. They block off the highway. we have to detour, go up on that road. So yeah, we're gonna see which way. I don't know what's going on. Obviously it's northbound because people on the other side driving down, so I guess northbound. Let me see. Yeah, let me see. We have to just take a slight detour. So this is the things that happen when you're doing road trips. You know, anything happens. Yeah, so we'll be back with an update on the road trip. Alright guys? Yeah. Hold on. Oh, yeah, so Leverage Nation right now, we're reaching a Kissimmee. I guess I go on bail. You know, everything go. So that was a journey of me going to Kissimmee. See place how it look. Kinda bushy. Yeah. Yeah man. Meet up with some friend, you know, but maybe we're gonna see where we're going, but that is it man. That is it. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Leverage road to me going to Kissimmee. It was like a 2.5 hour drive, yeah. So yeah man.